Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm gonna teach you about divided fraction. So first example is 9 divided by 30. So first you add 30 divided by 9. Since you cannot divide 9 to 30, you add a 0 point, which you have to add a 0 to the 9. So the 9 becomes 90. And how many 30 can fit in 90? 3. And 3 times 30, 90. Minus 0. So the answer for example number 1 is 0.3. Example number 2 is 9 divided by 20. First, you add the 20 divided by 9. Since you cannot divide 20, you add 0 and you have to add 0 point, and the 9 becomes 90. So 20 divided by 90, is 80. There's a remainder, so put 80 and the answer is 4. Put the remainder and add a 0. 20 divided by 100 is 5. 5 times 20 is 100. Minus 0. So the answer for example number 2 is 0.45. And that's all. Thank you for listening.